Good morning, everyone. So for today's task, you have to go to the Google Classroom, as you can see on the screen here, and then go to the classwork. In the classwork, you have to go to Health Unit. Here, you go to the Health Unit, and then here, you go to the Health Unit, and from there, you press on what is the target heart rate for exercise over here, and then go to Google Doc and open the doc. And then this will take you to the Google Doc page, and here you can see what is the target heart rate for exercise. What is your heart rate? Of course you know about it because we studied, we practiced, and we learned a little bit about the heart rate and what is your resting heart rate and what is the heart rate when you exercise. So still there are a few things written. I took it from the external source from different places and I put it here. So you can rate what is the normal heart rate. The normal heart rate is between 60 to 100 beat per minute for a normal person. What is the safe heart rate while exercising? So is it important to know what's when you're exercising, what should be your safe heart rate? It's important because if your heart rate is going more than what is your capacity, then it could be dangerous. So that's why it's very important that when we are exercising, where should be our heart rate. So for in order to find out, we have to know what is your maximum heart rate. So how to find out what is your maximum heart rate, how to find out. So there's a simple formula, and the formula is that there's a number 220 minus your age. This is a normal formula for any person that can be used. So I will repeat one more time: 220 minus 42. So if 42 is the years how old the person is. So if someone is 42 years old, his maximum heart rate is 178 beat per minute. It means it cannot go more than 178. He should not go because that's he's crossing his maximum heart rate. So the question is, when you are exercising, what should be your heart rate? So that's called target heart rate. So when you're exercising, like you're doing aerobic activity like running or skipping rope or jumping on the spot, your heart rate should be between your target heart rates. So how to find out the target heart rate? It should be 50% at 70%, 50 to 70% of your maximum heart rate. For example, if somebody's maximum heart rate is 178 because he's 42 years old, and he minus by 222 minus 42 is 178. So his maximum heart rate is 178, and 50% of 178 is 89, and 70% of 178 is 125 beat per minute. So his exercise should be between 89 to 125 to get a good result and make the heart stronger. So next time when you're exercising, doing aerobic activity, make sure your heart rate is between your target heart rate. So now it's time to work a little bit. So I want you to do reflection, answer these questions. Why is it important to know what is your heart rate while doing exercise? What is your maximum heart rate? How to find out the maximum heart rate? 220 minus your age. What is your target heart rate? It should be the 50% to 70% of your maximum heart rate. Find out. Now I want you to do this jumping jack activity. Jumping jack, here's the link. You can go and see what the jumping jack looks like. And then you go to Flipgrid. This is a new thing. You have to learn a little bit about it. So you'd go to Flipgrid and log in with your only school email, because this is an educational website. So you have to log in with your school email. And once you go there, you go to the P grade 10 and you see this thing here, green. You press on this and then your video will come, and here you have to record, and after your recording is done, you save it. All right, if you have more question, feel free to ask me. Okay, and this way you will record your video of doing jumping jacks and send it to me. And also I want to know your target heart rate and maximum heart rate. If you have any question, send me email. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye.